How's that for a can of potatoes and pickles and stuff? Yeah, dude. After that last investment with the Lambo, we gotta deal with this now.
Aaron, I was just trying to make us happy.
I don't care, man. That was not cool.
You've got the money for that.
I know we have the money to do that kind of stuff, but it doesn't make sense. Hey, what's up,
It
Seth?
made sense when you were screaming down the highway at 200 miles per hour.
We're dealing with this now, dude. It's you or me.
Keep those scissors away from moi.
So I just wanna go number 2 on the sides, like usual. And then it gets so knotted, I can't even handle it. Okay. Like it's like giant rat nests.
I can't even handle when you're drunk.
Yeah, it's getting pretty long.
Okay, stop. Don't listen to him. Listen to me. Take this apron off and I'll rent you a Lambo. I rented him a Lambo. I'll rent you a Lambo.
He usually styles it and slicks it back. Like he has this, yeah, I think it's blended. And then it's like all straight back.
Yeah, he usually does slick it back, but it doesn't cut me off. Stop laughing, Aaron. This isn't funny. No! Hey, ladies and gents, how's it going? It's Roy here. Make sure you check out all our social pages and do all the things that social media people do, so you don't miss out on our shenanigans. And, well, Aaron's crap, too.